Very good morning for the class 8, 9 and the 10th student. Today is my 51st lecture. Here, especially, I am here on the topic of the debate, and as you know, the debate comes within a very important topic of the reading and the writing of, especially for the class 10th, 9th, and as well as it may be of the class 8. Here, in the debate, the first thing should be very clear cut what the actually debate is. Debate is not a personal issue. Debate is not a relative issue. Debate is not a familiar issue. Basically, the debate is a public issue. The issue, the importance of a national level or a local level or a state level or a global level, that is called public issue or a national issue. Means there is a no personal issue. Jaise COVID-19 is a pandemic and this is a global issue. The flood is an issue of a Bihar, a state issue. That may become within the topic of the debate. But if your mother is ill, this is not a matter of the debate. If your sister is confined to bed, this is not a debate. So debate always comes within the public issue or national issue. It may be of a different nature, local level or a state level. Here, we have to understand and realize how we will develop a concept so that during the examination, we all will be comfortable to write up the debate. Before debate, first, you see the topic for a 1 minute. Not only see, you look and meditate the topic for a 1 minute. And if during the 1 minute, please observe S for a strength, S for a strength and the W for a weakness. What are the strength? What are the strength? Please find out. If the number and the quantity of the strength of that topic is the much, you should favor that. If the quantity of the weakness is the much, it means you are not favoring. You are against it. Here, suppose I have given one topic, democracy versus directorship. Democracy versus a directorship. This is a very important, ongoing, debating topic. If you have the much positive, means strengthful advantage and the more merit of the democracy, please write it down and go for its favor. And if you have a more information about the directorship, about its weakness, demerit and disadvantage, then you opt for you go for the favor for a directorship. So your favor of the strength and the weakness as per you have data collected. Data collected means whatever the information you have. Suppose I have here given democracy versus the directorship. So you have to go for a one favor. या तो आप डेमोक्रेसी का फेवर करेंगे तो केवल आप उसके स्ट्रेंथ पर बात करेंगे, और अगर आप डायरेक्टरशिप का फेवर करेंगे तो केवल डायरेक्टरशिप के स्ट्रेंथ पर बात करेंगे. तो इन दिस वे आप अपना एक बॉडी बना सकते हैं, माइंड इट. इसको आप जब भी लिखेंगे तो आप पैराग्राफ में लिखेंगे. ठीक है, पैराग्राफ मस्ट बी मेंटेन. पैराग्राफ must be maintained. कोई दिक्कत? तो यहाँ पैराग्राफ एकदम आपको मेंटेन करते रहना है. कोई दिक्कत है तो बोलिए. ओके. Here again I am recapping. Today is my 51st lecture. The topic is the debate. This is the important one that comes within the reading and the writing chapter. This is the mandatory and the important class for the class 8, 9th and the 10th. Here we are discussing about the debate. Debate is not a personal matter. Debate is basically a public issue or a national issue. It may be of the two types, a state issue and the local issue, or the thing which is the important for the pluralistic society and the more people. If somebody in your family is ill and some passing through some unusual thing, that is not a matter of a debate. Debate will be whenever it will be of the local issue, state issue, national issue, public issue, international issue. Here, I have selected a topic: democracy versus the directorship. Here, we have to be there. Democracy versus directorship. It means in the democracy and the versus directorship, you have to work on the S and the W, where the S is the strength. If you find out the more the strength, okay, it means you are the favoring the democracy. If you are the adding more and the more a strong point and a strengthful point the directorship, it means you are the favoring the directorship. In this way, it is nothing, it is simply a balancing of the S and the W, where the S is for the strength and the W that is of the weakness. In this way, I am concluding my lecture. Be in your home, stay in your home, go for the study, and this is the very wonderful and the golden opportunity that you are well within the room and you are physically right now fit. And the study needs only your mental engagement. Be engaged fully with the mentally engaged in your study. In the meantime, thank you.